Okay, so that time to clean the chicken coop, and all this needs to be cleaned up, and they need to stop sleeping in the nesting boxes. I know they're all coming over here now, for the exception of sometimes one, sometimes two, sometimes three. So I may need to close these nesting boxes up, put something over them until at least one of them starts laying an egg, and then just cover one at a time. So time to get busy cleaning. All of the birds right now are out here. After I clean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After I clean the coop, I'll throw them some mealworms or black fly larvae, something. Okay, I want to show you. Of course, I got to scrape all that off and clean the nestings out. But as you can see underneath, nothing is really sticking to the floor. Now you'll see right there, let me get this. It looks like it, but it's because that's where I keep their water bowl over here, like right here. But it's really, let me do this. You can see it's actually dry. That's where I keep the water bowl. I'm gonna have to maybe think of something different. I'm doing the deep bedding method, so I'll get it all moved around. I will add this to it, and yeah, you can see where it is keeping it dry underneath. See, it's all dry underneath. So that's good. So I will get this done, and then I will show you an after picture. And all of this will be taken out and you put in. And over here, all of this will come out. And new flakes will be added in. You can see that diatomaceous earth down there that helps keep out lice and stuff like that off the birds. Okay, so before I go any further with the nesting boxes, I've got them all scraped out. Before I put any more flakes in it, I need to cover those up. I don't want them open. I don't want them roosting in there. I want them roosting over here, to leave those for the hens that start to lay eggs. So I am going to go ahead and go find something to put in there so they can't get in there. I think I know what I can use. I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I did to keep them out of the nesting boxes. There's a bee swarming around me so that they can roost over here. Now we'll continue cleaning. Okay, so you can see one of them just came out of the dust bath. So they are definitely using it. You can see how far down they've got the dirt, which is fine because there's quite a few layers down in there. And the rest of them are over there eating. We can finish the chicken coop. So definitely know that they're using that. This is the one that CJ likes. See, the wind is blowing good through here. Nice, nice, nice breeze. What you doing, Kodiak? What you doing, buddy? He's like, I'm leaving before you try to mess with me again. Gotta get me all brushed and looking pretty. Well, let me go in and finish. They're going in. I need to get it finished, getting it all cleaned. And I've decided in the evening I'm gonna put the water here by the door, because over there they jump off of the roost into it. Here they're less likely to, so we'll see how that works out. Okay, chicken coop is cleaned. Now, also too, when Lee looked in here the other day, he thought all the brown he was seeing was chicken poop. But I assured him he was looking at the red cedar chips, because I had also added red cedar chips in here. The non-scented ones, they have no scent, so they're okay for the birds. And that'll keep them out from up there, hopefully. And yeah, so this will be good. And I'll put the water bowl right here tonight. Okay. Okay, so I come back to get the box of the dried black soldier fly larvae. So I'll be giving them some of this for a snack. Okay, there are 2 of them inside taking their dust bath. I'm going to be quiet. They finally found where I had their dust bath at. That's the little one in there. Enjoying their dust bath. After the ones that didn't watch when I made it, I've got soil, wood ash from our fireplace, and diatomaceous earth. It will help keep the lice and stuff like that off of them. There's the little one. Now 3 of them's gonna try to take their dirt bath all together. There's a 4th one coming, and a 3rd one going. If you could hear that old man or not coming down the side road here. Heard Cody up barking, he started barking at the dog. So while I'm showing you this, I glanced over microgreens. Oh, let me make it smaller. Let me start over. So while I was filming the chickens, it's the microgreens. The thyme is coming out. Check out the zucchini. Yellow squash shade. I just planted it yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. Spaghetti squash. All these are microgreens. Butternut squash. It's all coming out. And of course the sweet potatoes won't be doing anything for a bit. I'm waiting for those leaves to come up so I can do some slips. Slips are not coming up yet, but all those are. Okay, so I brought let's see here, English lavender, nope. Sage, nope. Sage broadleaf, nope. And that one's already growing. Hot peppers, nope. Okay, well, I've got the snacks to give them, so let me start that. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick. The wind's blowing it back my way. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Look, the one that's in there is the one that Lee likes. Taking its dirt bath. Here, chick, chick, chick. Oop. Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. That rest of that butternut squash, this the peels, is gonna have to be put in the compost. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, chick, chick. That one have to be put in the compost. Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Let me put some in the front because they like to hang out in the front. I left that bowl there so I could get it cleaned up for later. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick. I had the thing down, you really couldn't see. They were fighting over one. Here, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick. Come on. Come on over here. I'll be eating those for a bit. That's a black fly, soldier fly larvae, dried. I definitely like them. do a closer zoom on them since they're in the shade.